Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use the many different integration settings on the Notify for Xiaomi app. To use integrations, simply go into integrations, and in here you can see all the third-party app integrations. But to access most of them, or well, all of them except for the Sleep as Android one, you may need the license for third-party app, the third-party app licenses, which you can find in here: settings, home, settings, and license status. And just you will see an option if you don't have it bought out, just to buy it. Once you do, you'll be able to use those different integrations. You may sync your data to Google Fit, for example. Sync it all to Google Fit, let's say, and just Google Fit, Health Connect, for example, to Sleep as Android. Of course, for Sleep as Android you will have to also enable integrations on the Sleep as Android side, which you will see in just you're going to see it in Sleep as Android. That's all I can say. And that is it. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.